Hello and welcome. My name is Oren, and today I'm going to speak about timeout in engineering licensing. Let me share my screen. Okay, so timeout in engineering licensing. So what is it at all? It's actually license harvesting. So if the user is idle and not actually using the license, we want to disconnect him from the license, return the license back to the license pool, and by that allow other users to use the same license. So we all understand that that's very important. Um, we implemented our own license harvesting, but this is a built-in license harvesting built into the software by the license manager. So, is it good? It's the best. If it's supported, you should use it. Now, one note is don't confuse it with the FlexLM timeout, which is an environment variable. This is used to set the timeout when communicating with the license manager. We can talk about that on another occasion. So how do we configure it? So in the FlexLM, in the example of FlexLM, of course, we can have timeout all. So timeout all says any feature that I have, if the user is idle, just release it back to the license pool after 9,000 seconds. And the second option is that we define a specific timeout setting for each of the feature. In that case, MATLAB, timeout, MATLAB, and that's the value. So very easy to configure. If you have OpenLM, you can do it by the GUI on EasyAdmin. Now, what's the limitation? So basically, this is a setting that needs to be enabled by the vendor. So you will find that most of the vendors don't support it at all. Some of them do support it. You need to contact the vendor and ask specifically. There are limitations. For example, MathWorks limits it to 14,400 seconds, which is 4 hours. In IBM, it's 2 hours. So basically, the shorter the timeout, the better for you as a customer. And also the implementation is limited. There are many things that will prevent it to happen at all. If the user opens a modal window, it won't happen, and many other cases. That's why it's not always very useful. So what's our recommendation? Anytime it's possible, set it. That's the best possible option if it works. And we recommend to check the limitations with the vendors. So thank you for listening today. I'm looking forward to discuss this with you. And if you liked it, click like. Thank you.